Hey, it's Sarah here, and in this video I've got something truly amazing to share with you. In this video I'm going to reveal what I believe is hands down the absolute best done-for-you marketing system for complete beginners. So if you are on this video right now and you are like a complete newbie to affiliate marketing, you're looking for something that will help you generate more sales online, whether you're looking to make, check this out, monthly recurring commissions, maybe you're looking to make mid-ticket commissions like $100 a day, $500 a day, perhaps a little bit more. Maybe you're looking to make these big high-ticket commissions like these. In my case, I just recently had my very first ever $1,000 sale with this exact program that I'm going to share with you. Or maybe you want something that will generate repeat buyers for your exact business, right? So if you want to create consistent, predictable income every single month in your business so that you could, maybe perhaps quit your job, go full time, you're looking to have more freedom, you're looking to spend more time with your family, whatever the case is, whatever your goal is, please stay with me to the very end of this video because I promise this video is going to be 100% worth your time. And also, I've got some amazing bonuses for you if you decide to take action. If you decide to take action right now, which I'll of course be going up a little bit more into at the end of this video, right? So super excited to get into this one. So I want to get into exactly what this program is and what it's all about, how it all works, and all that type of stuff, right? So with this exact system right here that I'm currently a part of and other people are benefiting huge from, you have 4 very simple steps that you want to go through, right? And this is set up in a way where even if you're someone who is completely brand new, you haven't really had much results before, you're non-technical, or whatever the case is, this is one of those programs where even if you're non-technical, it's super easy to follow, very newbie friendly, and all you really have to do is simply go through all the steps in order and then complete all the steps, right? So you have a few different short videos that you'll want to watch. For example, with step number 1, it'll have you join the Facebook group, which is exactly where these posts are coming from. Step number 2 is where you'll set up your different income streams, right? So this step in particular is really the most important one. With this is where you'll set up your different income streams. You can of course get paid from each particular income source that's inside of here, right? So with this exact program, the first income stream allows you to generate monthly recurring commissions online, right? So that is these little $20 commissions that you get every single month, as long as the person you refer remains a customer. They also have an annual plan that'll get you these $180 commissions as well if they pay yearly, which is also really great. But income stream number 2 is a program by the name of Easy 1UP, right? So this company in particular has been around for many years, been around since I think 2016, I believe, and they got product packages ranging anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. We go to the product section right here, and you'll see that the lowest package right here is $25, so in that case, it's super affordable for people who are brand new, but also they have a package here that goes up to $2,000. Now, what's really great about this exact income stream right here is that this is one of the very few affiliate programs that will pay you 100% commissions, right? And it's also paid out instantly, so you don't have to wait, 2 weeks or like a month to get your money like how you would with other programs. When you make a sale with Easy 1UP, you get the full commission. So you make a sale at this level, that's $2,000 that you get pretty much instantly, and that commission is paid out pretty much, right then and there, right? So you get paid directly from the customer, which is really great. And this is what will allow you to, perhaps scale your business a lot faster, right? So for this reason, Easy 1UP has been doing very well over the past few years. And the fact that it's inside of this exact program makes it even better because the earning potential is even higher now, right? So Easy 1UP is a very great, solid company. Income stream number 3 is a program by the name of TechSpot, which is this company right here. And with this one, it's very similar to Easy 1UP in the fact of the compensation plan. You get paid 100% commissions. They're paid out instantly. You don't have to wait, like 30 days to get your money. This has $100 level as well as a $500 level, right? So this right here is an SMS marketing software that allows you to do text message marketing, right? So if you are, for example, building up like an email list, if you have like an email autoresponder, think of this as like your email autoresponder, but specifically for, mobile marketing, texting your leads instead of emailing them. And what's really great about this, as opposed to email marketing, is that almost everyone opens up their text messages, as you are probably aware of, which is what makes this program very great, right? So not only is the compensation plan really good, not only does it allow you to earn big commissions, but also the product in here is actually really good as well, right? And that's another thing that I love about this exact system right here. It's not like a bunch of random programs just thrown together. The products that you're getting inside of here are actually really good, right? So income stream number 4 is a program by the name of Traffic Authority. And with this exact source right here, this allows you to purchase traffic over to the program that you're promoting, right? So what's really great about this is that you could use this to not only, earn commissions from, but you could also use this to promote the exact system itself, right? So when you have your account set up and you are, you have all your income streams set up, you don't necessarily have to, do any sort of email, like, writing out your own emails or like doing your own copywriting or making your own videos to, sell the program. With this exact traffic source right here, what's really cool about this is that they will do all the marketing for you, right? So with this, you just pay for the amount of clicks that you want. They have different, packages you could of course come in at, and then you just give them the link that you want to promote, which this program is going to provide you with all the links in here anyway. In fact, if we come up here to where it says links up here, I click on this tab. Here you have different capture pages and sales videos that you could simply just plug into, right? So even if you're brand new and you've never done any sort of, building funnels out or anything like that before, you could simply plug into the capture pages that they have right here. You just give them the link to one of these pages, and then anytime you get traffic on these pages, they opt in, they get coded to you for life, right? So whether they buy right then and there, or if they buy a month or two down the road, you're still going to get credit for all the sales that you bring in to this exact program right here. And when they go through all the income streams, those are all commissions that you'll be getting as well, right? So that's the thing that really excites me about this exact program. And that's really the main gist of exactly how this program all works and what it's really all about. Now, I do have some really cool bonuses that I want to share with you when you decide to take action right now and you decide to get started with this exact program right here. So the first thing that you're going to get access to when you decide to join through the link of the button down below is you're going to be able to replicate all the sales funnels that I have specific team members, right? So although multiple income funnel does provide you your own capture pages and your own sales videos that you could use, one thing that I decided to do for my members is I wanted to give them the option to leverage other sales funnels that are, that I've of course built out myself. And the reason why I want to do this is because, although these funnels right here do a really great job at, of course, selling the program and getting people to take action, the only downside with it is that, as the program gains more popularity and more people join the program, and it starts to, more people, of course, promote these exact replicated pages, what tends to happen with a lot of these programs is that conversion rates, very likely, they tend to dip, right? And I don't want that to necessarily happen to you at all. I want you to be able to generate long-term consistent sales with, any program that you're in, which is why I decided to offer my own sales funnels that you could simply plug into, right? So this is one that I put together myself where it has like a capture page that I put together right here. Whenever someone opts in, they will get access to a video that I made that will pretty much go over exactly what the program is all about. This video specifically, I showed how I made my first $1,000 in a day with this exact program, right? So I gave a really cool presentation right here, and I give a call to action at the very end to check out the program. And what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to replicate these exact funnels as well as all the emails that go out that I've written. So I'll be providing the emails that will simply go out on your behalf whenever you get people to opt in to any of these funnels right here. And then whenever they decide to check out the program, they click on the button right here. Rather than this being my affiliate link by default, this will be your affiliate link, right? So you'll be able to update this, you'll be able to change it up, you'll be able to, for example, if you want to update the video, or if you want to change any of the, the headlines and the capture pages, you'll have full control over that. And that's what's really great about the funnels that I'm putting together, rather than just using the done for you, like, pre-built funnels right here, right? So you'll be able to leverage my MIF sales funnel as well as my 4-day training funnel, which provides like a 4-day training as like a lead magnet. And then of course salespeople on the back end with the exact program right here, as well as I have a brand new training that I'm putting together for my specific team, right? So with this new training right here, the MIF Jumpstart Blueprint, it's going to show you how to get in the right mindset, how to get long-term results. It's going to show you how to set up all these funnels right here. It's going to show you how to build your own funnels if you want to do that, how to write your own emails, so that this way, when you learn these skill sets, you become fully independent. You never have to rely on a program like this in long term. And that's what I want to do for my members compared to a lot of other people that are, promoting this exact program, right? So when you decide to partner up with me and you decide to get started with the program down below, I want to fully ensure that you are not just getting sales with this program, but I want to help you get sales in the long term with anything that you want to promote, right? And that's exactly what my training is going to help you to do. It's going to help you get long-term results, regardless of what happens to this program, regardless of what you decide to market next. If you want to market some other program, you're more than welcome to do that by using the strategy that I go over inside of this training right here. I do have some additional bonuses, though, that are going to be specifically for when you decide to come in at the Vertex Live level inside of Easy 1UP, right? So that is going to be the $2,000 level, when you come in at this level right here, I've got some additional bonuses to really help you ensure that you maximize your results, you shorten the learning curve, and this will just help you get much better results in the long term, right? So the first bonus that you get access to here is you're going to get access to personal bi-weekly coaching. So if you want to be able to get more additional support, if you want the additional training, if you want to be able to ask questions and be able to interact with others that are getting phenomenal results, you'll be able to do that with this exact training right here. You'll also get access to the YouTube selling system. This is the exact traffic source, the exact strategy that got me my very first breakthrough online, is this exact traffic source right here. YouTube is known to be a very powerful source. And if you want to get high ticket sales online using YouTube, this is a free traffic source, by the way. You don't have to, invest any money with this source right here. You'll be able to use this exact training right here to, of course, help you do that. You'll also get access to some Facebook ads training. So if you want to learn how to use Facebook ads to promote just about anything online and not have to worry about getting banned, you'll be able to plug into this training right here. You'll also get access to the massive traffic formula, and this is a really cool way and how to do solo ads. If you want to learn how to use solo ads in your business to get long-term consistent sales online, this formula right here will show you how to get long-term sales online, right? And this is created by a 7-figure earner known as Paulo Brosso, this guy right here, and he's done phenomenally well in this industry, right? You'll also get access to the massive ManyChat profits. This is a really cool way on how to follow up with your leads using Facebook Messenger. And this is not like, one-on-one Facebook conversations where it's like you have to reach out to each person individually. This is where you have like an email list built up, and then you could follow up with multiple people at once, right? So it's very much like, you have your email autoresponder, you send out like a broadcast to your list, and this will allow you to follow up with multiple people inside of Messenger, what's really great about this is that the open rate is a lot higher than with emails, right? So that does make this method really powerful. You'll also get access to the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. If you want to learn organic Facebook marketing, if you want to learn how to get free traffic that's very high quality and also very fast, this right here is the exact training that you want to plug into. This is the exact traffic source that you want to learn, is the ultimate Facebook chat mastery, because this is going to show you how to build up a following on Facebook, how to get people reaching out to you in Messenger, how to get people seeing the content that you put out there and, getting them to reach out to you and take action, say, hey, I want to check out the program that you're in. I want to see exactly what you're currently leveraging and how can I work with you, right? So this training right here is going to show you exactly how to attract the right people into your business so that you never have to worry about chasing people. You'll also get access to some email swipes you could simply leverage. You'll learn hypnotic storytelling, which is another really great skill to learn. You have this other bonus right here that'll show you the most important ingredient for success, as well as this really cool ebook that my friend created called Vision Manifesto. And this will show you how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, right? So this right here is everything that you're going to get access to when you decide to join through the second income stream inside of this exact program right here. And you come in at the Vertex Live level inside of EZ1Up, right? But whether you decide to join at that level right away or not, then you'll still get all these other bonuses that I went over, like the funnels that I put together. You'll get access to the training. But if you come in at the Vertex Live level, you'll also get access to this additional training right here, which will ensure that, you'll help shorten the learning curve. You'll get much more support. And also, I will say this, if you're watching this video right now and you take action right now and you come in at the Vertex Pro or Vertex Live level, I will give you the chance to get on a one-on-one coaching call with myself, right? So if you want that additional help, if you want to be able to jump on like a private Zoom call with myself where I show you pretty much everything that I'm doing to get results with this exact program and how you can do the exact same thing, all you have to do is visit the link down below, get started with this exact system right here, and go through all the steps of getting all your income streams set up, right? So make sure that when you go through here, you don't just join the program itself and then just kind of skip the income streams. Make sure that you actually go through here, you set up all the income streams coming at the highest level that you could afford, so that this way you could really maximize your earnings, right? So anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're ready to take action, if you see an opportunity for yourself, if you're like, I'm ready to jump on board, then go ahead, visit the link or the button down below and get started today. I'll see you on the inside, and take care.